State competition held in Bangalore on 11th August 2024. Total participants were 111 members. We have 42 champions, 34 gold toppers and 35 silver toppers. Last but not the least, 44th India National Abacus Competition held in Chennai on 20th October 2024. Total participants were 48 members. We have 12 champions, 20 gold toppers and 16 silver toppers. All three competitions were with 100% results. These results are testament to the power of hard work, perseverance and unwavering spirit of our students. Congratulations to each of you for your remarkable achievements. You have been proven that with determination, anything is possible. Next year, bigger and achieve more. We are excited to announce the opening of a new center in Srirampura, a stepping stone towards a greater success. We are confident that this center will shine just brightly as the rest. None of these would have been possible without the steadfast support and cooperation of our parents. Your encouragement has been the backbone of our success and we extend our deepest gratitude. Let these achievements inspire and motivate us to keep striving for excellence. Remember, every milestone we reach brings us closer to even greater heights. The journey doesn't stop here. The best is yet to come. Let's continue to work together, grow together and achieve greatness together. Thank you.
Brings a wealth of experience and diverse expertise to the field of education, with qualifications including BSc, MA in English and Kannada, LLB and B.Ed. Sir's journey is one of dedication and excellence. Beginning his career in banking, he served for 16 years at Kaveri Gramina Bank before transferring to the education sector. After 3 years at Sadvidya PU College, he took on the role of principal at Pramati Hillview Academy, where he has been leading with distinction for the past 15 years. Sir is also the founder trustee of Arivu School, a Kannada medium, activity-based, environment-friendly institution that champions alternative teaching methods. He has conducted seminars on counseling and board exam support for underprivileged students, organized spoken English courses for rural youth, led sessions on happy life and open learning, and delivered GMAT preparation courses under the LIC Employees Association. Additionally, Sir has presented Gamaka Vyakhyana programs, translated and published articles on education, and maintains a deep interest in music, literature, and promoting a simple, happy lifestyle. His exceptional contributions have earned him the Ideal Principal Award from the All India Citizen Development Center and the Leadership in 21st Century Skill Development Award by IIT Delhi, making him an inspiring figure in education, literature, and community development. I would like to call Sudarshana Sir to address the gathering.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and dignitaries of the dais. We had a beautiful demo here by our young kids. We Indians are shining nowadays, and we remember if D. Gukesh can excel in this field, our children can also excel one or the other day. They are doing excellent thing. Usually an abacus class abacus center will train mathematical ability. We in Pramati Hillview Academy had two wonderful kids, Devi Charan and Devi Sharan. One of them has got centum 100 on 100 in his board exams. Both of them were vibrant, active in their own way. They follow each other's footsteps, of course. And when their mother, Manjula ma'am, came to me and invited me here, I was delighted to come because of the affection I had to my children, also to the work she's doing. But when I came here, it was a wonderful experience. It's not just an abacus training center. It's brain training center. When we practice mathematical abilities with many other things, say multitasking, singing and also calculating, dancing and calculating, doing 3 different sums at the same time. So mind will be working immensely, and when we sharpen our mind, we can do many wonderful things. It's not just calculation that matters. Do we need calculation in life? Yes, definitely, but not up to this level. But it's not calculating, it's training the mind. If we just stop speaking for say 6 months, it will be very difficult for us to speak later. If we stop walking for 6 months, just imagine it will be very difficult. Then a physiotherapist will come train us how to move our one step and then the next step. But if we are walking every day, say 10 kilometers, 50 kilometers, run for 50 kilometers, we do it with so much of energy, with so much of style. So this is one such experience. Our children sharpening their memory, doing multiple things, doing things together, working together, not losing their hope. If there is a mistake, yes, we do mistake. We do commit mistake quite often. When we go, we have learned walking for several years. Still, when we go, we fall down. We drive for a long time, and when we ride, we may stop in between. But these children are amazing. They are doing wonderful things at tender age and at even good higher classes. So this gives the idea of how actually brain is working. When I was speaking to Mr. Neil Kamal, the regional manager, he was telling that they have imbibed NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Program, and they have imbibed creative skills with it. So this is not just a calculation, this is sharpening their creative ability, thinking ability, making them face the life, making them solve the problem. So these are the things which we usually require. National education policy has come recently, and all the education sector are speaking about NEP. NEP stresses initially foundation level about numeracy and literacy. Brain is also doing the same thing. It's enhancing the skills of numeracy, it's enhancing the skill of literacy, it's enhancing the skill of capacity building. So it builds the capacity of each individual children. I am really happy to be the part of the witness here what our children have done, and it's really great that Mysore has so much of enthusiastic children here, and let the breed grow. I wish best luck for brain institutions in Mysore. I congratulate them. I thank them for inviting me. Thank you.